Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. So, in my previous video, I had alluded to some thoughts that I have had about some items I ordered from Lee Valley which have not yet shown up, which tied into this box of parts that I ordered they shipped on February 9th, 2017. 9 years ago. These came from Woodcraft Supply. And I doubt you could even order these today. And I talked about these once before. But let's take one out and talk about it today. There's a lot of pieces parts here, but all I need is that. I had thought years ago that a simple way of putting totes and knobs on a hand plane, yeah, these will come out somehow, would be to use wooden inserts. Boy, this is going to be cumbersome for me. Surgery date's coming up. It's coming up. Let's see how much of this we can get fixed. Oh boy. So, if you have a tote and a knob and all the associated hardware, you've got the stem for the tote, you've got the stem for the knob, you've got the screw for the tote. All you would need to attach that to part of a wooden plane would be threaded wood inserts, right? Now, I know that that's the small one. That's that one. So you have to have matching threads. And I know that Stanley, good old people at Stanley, did a lot of custom size threads. they used 28 threads per inch instead of 24, or like quarter 20. So 3 thread inserts, 2 posts, a tote and a knob, and Bob's your uncle. I would have the necessary parts to handle a plane. What do you think about that? The trickiest part will be putting the insert in this one on an angle that can be measured. This one is perpendicular. This one is perpendicular. Now, the next part of this was the frog portion, which I ordered, and it's not here. But I'm working on it. My thinking is to get a thread insert and a wood screw that goes into the wear bevel, the bed, into the bed angle, the 45 degrees, and that would be my center screw, just like I did on the guppy, on the larch smoother. And then a turn knob and insert to make a wooden lever cap. That's my thinking. So just thought I'd share this with you. That's where I'm at. I don't know if any of this is making any sense. Try to get it in camera here. But I've had these for 9 years, and the new parts are coming. And that's one of my concept builds. Because then I'd have a tote, and I'd have a knob, and then I would have a adjustable lever cap, and then I can just use any Stanley blade set with chip breaker and iron. So that's about it for today. I hope you're having a good day. It's still cold here. Luckily, no new additional snow, because my surgery date is coming, and after that, my hand is going to be in a splint, and I won't be able to do much of anything, which is delightful. But it is what it is, right? Yeah. So, like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Let me know what you're working on. If you have any plans to do anything unusual. Walter out.